On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a metal water bottle. You're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to start off at the top with an ellipse. And don't go straight down, you need to draw a little curve out from that and then straight down like that. And then join them with a curve at the bottom. And we need a little space there and then like a little sausage underneath there. Come in a fraction and then we're going to come down the neck of the bottle. It might even come in that tiny little bit more. And then we're going to come straight out for the shoulders of this bottle, and they're quite slim. I think, you know, sort of you see these everywhere now, don't you? These bottles, people take them with them. That wants to come down, and they're quite sort of tall. And that's going to come around in a curve like that. It's not quite as simple as that, because this is going to have like a curve there, which is going to curve out that way. So that will then curve in, and that will curve up that way, and then another little sort of curve going there. And then we also have this sort of curve coming around the bottom where it's obviously sort of welded together or something. So that they all seem to have that line, don't they? Right, let's draw this cap. So that wants to come around like that. And around like that. And then we'll bring it around at the bottom. And then this wants to be there. And then you quite often see these kind of little knurls, just to kind of help you get a grip, but they're kind of sort of punched into the metal at the top. And a little dark bit like that, and then a little and a lip, straight down, and then we can curve around that shoulder and straight down. It's easy going that way, it's not so easy coming this way, so let's try and get that. Alright, come straight down, take your time, straight, and then we're going to bring that into there, and then we've got this kind of curly bit in there at the bottom, and that's going to be coming there, and that will go to there, and then we want this line around the bottom there. And you quite often have things printed on here, don't you? So let's do water. So we're going to W-A-T-E-R. Where you can put your favourite brand or your name or whatever you like on there. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. And I'm going to put a little hint of a curve there. And then we're going to want some quite dark bit of shading there, and maybe a bit across the top there like that, and some coming up there on either side of that kind of knurl, and similarly here we'll have that coming there. We're going to want a little bit of sort of shade in these spaces like that, and then we could just very, very gently draw these there. They're not dots, they're not quite lines, they're slightly curved. This is just going to add a little bit of shade up the side of the bottle, and just take your time and work your way out. And as you get up here, it wants to get smaller and smaller into a dot like that. And then finally we'll just put some shading underneath here to put it on the table like that. And there you go, how to draw a metal water bottle real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.